Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyethemba uzaphila-ke. Mina ngizacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje. Ngisengaphuthisa njengamanje ngakucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke ukholwe kushiwo-ke uMlungu-ke laphana-ke eveza-ke iy'nkinga-ke ezenzakalayo-ke lana-ke ezweni South Africa nokuthi yini engaxazulula-ke lana-ke ngezimo-ke ezenzakalayo. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi ezwa ngami phendla into engizoyenza nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke lo Mlungu izwele wona ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina nje ngicela lapha masizuleke le video leyo ngene ama-comment section-ke ufushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi ngabe uyavumelana-ke yini-ke naye-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingaphosti izindaba ongenza njengamanje-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
This is a clear message for the South African people, and you need to listen very carefully. Mamela, Mamela, let me explain something. The only thing that the government should have done at the time when they took over, the ANC government, was to keep the security forces and put another strategy towards the security of South Africa. We would have never had drugs, the misuse of alcohol, foreign nationals coming here to do whatever they need to do and put us in a difficult situation where we are in today. That's all because more than half of our security forces are so badly corrupt in any case that people are taking the law into their own hands. You know, any country works like that. When you have a stable law and a strict law, you won't find these things. Half of our children are getting snatched away by Nigerians and used as drug mules. I know, I speak to a lot of these security forces that can tell me what's going on out there. And that's our government's problem. And it's the foreign national governments and their presidents' problems. Why they in this country running after the uMlungu? Because there's no work, no nothing, which they destroyed in their countries. Now they come here and they take their skills and they make shops and spaza shops and they make money because it seems like they overpowered our local people. Now, obviously, you're going to say, uMlungu, what you talking about? Talk to one another. Yambuza Baba. Talk to one another. What are you guys going to do? What are you going to do in a situation? You can chase these foreign nationals away. South Africa is exactly on the same edge than any other African country. It's not going to change because our leaders, this is what they do. Our hospitals are rotten. Our security forces are rotten. We've got such a dirty country. Do you think that God, if He can't trust you in a little, that He will give you in a much? If you can't even keep a country clean, how can God expect us or whoever is in control to rule in the much? Think about it nicely. This thing goes both ways. South Africa is in the same situation as any other African country. And it's going to end up being violent. No African leader gets voted out. You get out by war. That's all. By fighting. Nothing else. So I want to tell you guys out there, and listen to this uMlungu, Lehua, whatever you want to call me. We have a big problem in South Africa with regards to foreign nationals. Our kids are disappearing. Drugs all over the show. Our generations are cursed because of decisions and bad decisions that was made. They should have just kept the security forces and worked with another strategy to clean South Africa. Now we're paying the price. and we're paying a hefty price. Oh well, all I can say is good luck to South Africa.